How to fix KB5034848 fails to install in Windows 11. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is a built-in tool designed to identify and resolve common issues preventing updates from installing correctly. Windows is equipped with tools that can repair Windows system files and restore system health, potentially fixing update installation issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, this process can ensure that the bugged caches and other junk files are removed. Check disk can scan for and fix disk-related errors that might prevent updates from installing. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Close down Command Prompt and restart your system. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the Event Viewer. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.